Welcome to our English lesson. Today we'll learn how to use two future indefinite verbs in one sentence with real-life examples. Let's get started. I will pay the bill and send you the receipt. She will go to the pharmacy and get the medicine. I will go to the bank and withdraw some cash. He will fill the bottle and keep it in the fridge. I will print the file and bring it to your room. She will go to the tailor and collect her dress. I will call the plumber and get it fixed. I will save it for Mom and we will eat together. We will go to the market and buy the things for your project. I will give this to Mrs. Sharma and come back. You will visit the shop and collect the parcel. I will call him and explain everything. I will talk to Dad and let you know. The plumber will come in the evening and do the work. What will I come and do there? Thanks for watching.